you guys, it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. So on my last video I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and somebody commented and said they wanted a grocery haul, so that is what we're doing today. I'm going to do a grocery haul. Today's Sunday and I always do my meal preps on Sunday, so in addition to this video, she's making a lot of videos this week. No, let me not say that before y'all hold me to it. But I am what am I saying? Anyways, today is Sunday. I always do my meal preps for the week on Sundays. So I go to the grocery store as well on Sundays. It's packed, but that's just what I like to do. It's like my Sunday ritual. These gnats. Anyways, so yes, that's my Sunday ritual. I like to well, I'm supposed to go to church first, but it should be Mr. Church. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the video. It's Sunday. I'm doing the grocery haul. I just got back from the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys what I brought. Today is Sunday once again. The reason why I keep saying that is because I decided to get my life. As y'all know, I was out of the country and I went in. I've gained a total of like 11 pounds. And it's been officially a week. Today's Sunday. No, actually Monday would be a week since I've been back. So Monday is when I'm like getting back on the ball. Today I'm taking one of my trainers to tell me about some it's in refrigerator, but I'm drinking that and it's supposed to clean you out. And then tomorrow, boom, we're back on it. So I'm gonna do that in like weight loss vlog, because somebody asked me to do weight loss vlogs. So I'm gonna weight loss vlog me drinking the little stuff. That's why I can't tell you what it is. So if I tell you what it is, you're not gonna watch the video. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So that's fun. I will probably be in the same outfit. Actually, I think I'm gonna take a shower first and then record that. But anyways, let's get started on today's video, because y'all know I will talk all day long. And yeah, anybody got time for that? So let's get started. The first thing first is, oh, by the way, all this stuff is brought from HEB. I love HEB. If you watch any of my videos, you already know I love HEB, so that's just a given. I shouldn't even have to say that. Anytime I do any type of grocery haul, it's HEB. Well, I guess I should. Sometimes I buy stuff from Kroger's, but most of the time it's HEB. Oh, and look at this cute this romper. I don't know if y'all can see. Actually, I shouldn't really show it because my stomach's looking real nasty these days. But I got this cute romper, right, from Shein. It was like $12. I bought like a whole bunch of stuff from Shein for my trip, and I should have did like a try-on haul, but it was a hot mess. I was like literally rushing, trying to get everything done, but I didn't do one. But I'm about to order some more stuff from there because it's the truth. I'm gonna do a try-on haul for y'all. But anyways, let's get back to the video, because once again, she's gonna get off topic. So first thing, salad. I always buy a big thing of salad because for lunch, when I meal prep, I always have salad because it's easy to do. I don't have to worry about trying to find a microwave. I have to worry about trying to keep it cold. Like, salad's just the easiest thing for me to do. So I always have a salad every day for lunch, Monday through Friday. Weekends, no ma'am. Next thing, watermelon. I love watermelon. This is one of my favorite fruits. HEB literally has the best watermelon, y'all. Like, they watermelon. That piece isn't too good. Hold on. Okay, well, normally I got bit up so bad in Jamaica, and these mosquitoes, like a week later, I'm still being attacked, getting itched by it. But I'm really surprised by that. They normally have really good watermelon, and that wasn't good. But I love watermelon anyway, so I'm still gonna eat it because I just love watermelon. But anyways, next, cucumbers. That's for the salad. These cucumbers are by Pure Flavor. I normally just get a regular big cucumber, but they didn't have any, so I had to get those little ones. And I really don't like getting these little ones because I don't eat all that many cucumbers, but whatever. I have to get what you can get. And I got these hard-boiled eggs. They're already cooked and already hard and boiled. I put that in my salad too. Cheese, because I was running low on cheese. Just some mild cheddar and some Mexican style cheese. This is my favorite cheese, the Mexican blend. Yes ma'am, love that. These are pepperoni snacks. I've never tried these. I normally, actually, let me grab really fast. I normally get the turkey one. I have some. Okay, good, just in case I don't want some. So I normally get these, but they didn't have these. They had these instead. So I don't know. It's 5. So these are 70 calories a pack. This is 2 sticks is 140 calories. There's 5, and I'm only gonna have 1 stick. I guess that is still 70. 140 divided by 2 is 70. Is it not? I think so. 70, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh yes! I could do this 7 times 2 is 14. I knew that. Anyways, math is not my strong suit. That is why she went to law school, because she can't do math. So yes, don't judge me. And if you do judge me, I don't care. No, I'm playing. The next thing I got some blueberries. As you know, we always have a little fruit in our life. This is the turkey that I use for my salads. This is Oscar Mayer's carving board oven roasted turkey breast, brown with caramel color, 60 calories for every 2 ounces. Yeah, I get this and I just this says used by June 17. Child, I don't have my phone, but isn't today the 17th? Well, that's a joke. Well, shit. Damn, I didn't even notice that. It says the 17th. Once open, use within 5 days. Anyways, okay, I'm probably not gonna be able to use this because I don't know if this means like best by the 17th, used by the 17th. I don't know. I don't have no facts on it. So, for best quality, purchase and use by date shown. Once open, use within 5 days. Love wasting my money. So yeah, that was a waste of money. This is some cod, fresh cod from the deli section. Cottage fish, if you didn't know. I'm pretty sure you know, but just in case you don't know, just letting you know. I got some steak. My favorite cut is the New York strip, so I got that. This stuff is for dinner. And I got some chicken wings. I like to put these in the air fryer. Boom. Quick little din. Oh, I got this. This is by the brand Siete. They're these grain-free tortilla chips. They're really good. Really good. 18 carbs, 18, 17, 16. Actually 16 because it's two dietary fibers, so you subtract 18 from 2. Get that. I haven't tried the Fuego kind, but I tried the lime one. They're really good. I actually ate it in one setting, so I probably shouldn't have even brought that. But she did, so yeah. I got these chicken breasts because I like to eat these with the I need to put these in the freezer actually because they're gonna go bad really fast. These are the Siete almond flour tortillas. I love these so much. This right here is true. I eat these with this. I'll put this with cheese and this and make a quesadilla. Or I'll eat this with some eggs and some sausage to make a breakfast taco. I love it. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator because I don't want these to go bad. Because these bad boys are not cheap. They're about $8 for, I don't know how many come in there, but they ain't cheap, so I don't want those to go bad. Got some tomatoes for my salad, some lemons. I don't know what I brought the lemons for. I got these little lettuce, what are these called? They're like the lettuce thingies, like if you want to like do a lettuce burger. But I take these and put mayo and turkey meat inside and have like a little bunless sandwich as one of my snacks at work. This is my favorite sausage. This is the Cajun Hollander brand, Cajun style andouille sausage. I don't know, but love it. It's really delicious. I literally have one in my refrigerator. I just like to make sure I always have some on deck. I went to brunch today and they had this Serrano condiment sauce at the brunch place and it was delicious. I was like, oh, I gotta buy this. And they had it at H-E-B, of course, because H-E-B is great and they have everything. So this is Yellowbird sauce. You can't really see it. Spicy. I love spicy stuff. And I got some pickles. And the rest of this is just, I got some biotin. This is biotin 10,000. This is a biotin I take. It's by Natural. It's 10,000 as fast as all. So you just put it in your mouth, chew it. I take one a day. You gotta pick the cotton out. I don't like when stuff be having the cotton in it. Y'all can't even see it, but it's natural. I get it from HEB, and it's $9. Like, round it up 10, because I think it's like $9.98 or something. But it has the cotton in it. I hate when they put the cotton, like, it's really triggering having to pick cotton to get to my product. Some of y'all can't relate, but the ones who can. I'm saying some of y'all can't relate, like I pick cotton. But my ancestors did. And if I ain't gotta do it, I don't wanna do it. So, yes. I'm taking one now because I haven't held it in about 4 days because I've just been lazy. But, yes, this is it. Can you see it? No, but it's the best. It goes back here with the rest of mine. Oh, see, this is the empty one. Yep, empty. Yes, so that was my grocery haul. That's all the stuff I bought for the week. So this is what I normally do. I was gonna record my meal prep. I'll probably do it in the vlog. So for my meals, normally I have a salad. The snacks are normally, I don't know, I can't talk. Y'all, I'm like so like, can y'all see my stomach right now? I don't think y'all can see it, but like all the weight that I gained literally went to my stomach. So I really can't wait to do this like cleansing because I just feel so ran down and just so not like myself. But like when your stomach is just so full, you can't even breathe right. Can't think right. But for snack, I normally do, for my lunch I do the salad, and then I have 3 snacks. I'll show y'all in the vlog, so I'm just gonna cut this video short. My head is itching. I literally don't know what's going on with me right now. I'm really upset that these watermelon aren't sweet. This is disgusting. I couldn't do that. Well, that was a waste of $5. Thank you, HEB. If you're watching this, HEB, please run me my motherfucking money. Cause, okay. I'm really upset, y'all. You wanna know what? I'm gonna say this really fast and I'm gonna stop talking. So, and somebody also said in comments, like, you should do videos in other places other than your kitchen. I'm like, okay. But yeah, it's just like my safe space. In my kitchen, when I'm here, I'm like, I'm like, this is my safe space. This is my aesthetic, you know? Kitchen vibes. When I'm in the kitchen, y'all know it's the mosquitoes. But, I'm gonna tell y'all a quick story why I'm a little perturbed right now. So this weekend, my good friend, as told by Mandy, she's a YouTuber, she came into town and we went out to this restaurant to eat, right? And I had got the steak. We went to the restaurant's called True Lux. If you're in Houston, it's called True Lux. You should try it. Amazing food. It's a little on the pricey side, but I mean, you gotta treat yourself every now and then. Sure, if you don't treat you, who's gonna treat you? Okay, so anyways, we went there, we got the steak, and this steak, it was the New York strip, my favorite cut. It was so good. I couldn't even finish it. I got the steak, I got the macaroni and cheese, the crab macaroni and cheese, and I had got a piece of carrot cake. I went in, y'all. So pause, I had been going in this whole week because I was like, come Monday, like, it's go time, girl. Like, no games gonna play, so get it all out. So I have been going in. Yes, I am. Okay, so play. So anyways, I got all that, right? And I couldn't finish it, of course. I couldn't even finish half the steak. So we had brought the food back. She had got some fish. It was good or whatever, but you know, the steak. Anyway, so we had brought it back, right? So it was like, to go plate. Put it in the refrigerator. And so she left today. And so she, of course, she grabbed her food to take it with her. And like, we didn't check it or anything. I just, you know, she grabbed her food, so I'm just assuming it's her food. So y'all, the whole day today I've been like, dang, I can't wait to get home. I'm gonna sit down, take a bath, sit down, finish my steak, my macaroni and cheese, because you know it's always better the next day, right? I was like, finish my macaroni and cheese and my carrot cake before I get ready to do this cleanse, yada 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 yada. Like, I just been thinking about the steak all day long, right? I get home, open the refrigerator, grab my True Lux bag, stand by the microwave, open it up, take out the to-go box. Lo and behold, my steak is not there. My friend took the wrong fucking to-go bag. So, just so sad, y'all, because I had my mind set on their freaking steak. I love steak, and I'm really trying to like cut back on the red meat. I guess that's probably not a true statement since I brought some red meat, but I really need to cut back on the red meat. And that steak was just so good, y'all. It just was like melt like butter. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about steak because it doesn't matter. But I know y'all have experienced that when you had your mind set on something, or like when you like say you like have a boyfriend or something. Like one time that happened with my boyfriend. Like we had went out to eat, and so I had took my food back with me, right? So I had a to-go plate, and I woke up the next morning. I was like, damn, I can't wait. It was Cheesecake Factory. They have this like spicy New Orleans pasta, right? And so like when I go out to eat, I normally get something that I normally can't have, so like I'm like really excited about it, and I couldn't even finish it. And like I had woke up that morning, I was like, damn, I can't wait to go get my New Orleans spicy pasta. And I went in the refrigerator and that whole was gone. He ate it. Like, so yeah, so I'm a little on edge today. If y'all could sense the vibes in my video, I apologize, but now I just gotta keep it R-E-A-L, yes, real. And yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the person who asked for a grocery haul, this is the grocery haul. I know it's not a lot of food, but I really don't buy a lot of food during the week. I just buy what I need for my meal prep and dinner, and that's it. Because let's be honest, when I do buy a lot of food, this is what happens. Can y'all see this freezer? Let me turn the camera really fast. This is what happens. Let me walk over here. My freezer is filled with like foods and stuff that have not been eaten because I like buy a whole bunch of stuff and never have time to do anything with this. So I was like, no more of that. I'm just gonna buy what I need for the week. So yes, this is my meal haul. This is my grocery haul for the week, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please, 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 please leave some comments of some more videos that you want to see, because it makes it easier for me to come up with new content when I kind of know what you guys like. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, and always remember, we are the Snatch Gang, and we're gonna get snatched one way or the other.